Okay, so today we are going to work on our sight word rough. Okay? So you can see it. What I want you to do first with your screen underneath your paper is go ahead and copy rough on the first line, saying the letters as you write it.
R O U G H.
Nice, good. Go ahead and set your crayon down. And let's think of a rhythm, because we're going to learn this word just like we would learn phone numbers. We learn them in a rhythm. So what do you think would be a good rhythm for this?
R-O-U-G-H.
I like that. We'll kind of clump together, R-O, and then U-G-H. Okay, let's try that on your arm. Go ahead and put your arm on the table. Okay.
R-O-U-G-H.
Perfect.
R-O-U-G-H.
And then do it a third time.
R-O-U-G-H.
Great. Now you're going to continue writing the word and say the letters as you write them, kind of in that same rhythm.
R-O-U-G-H.
Perfect.
R-O-U-G-H.
Nice. Go ahead and set down your crayon. And what you're going to do now is use the pad of your finger and trace over the letters, saying each letter as you trace it.
R-O-U-G-H. R-O-U-G-H. R-O-U-G-H.
Good. It's nice to have that screen underneath so you can feel the texture. Now the texture is going to change just a little bit. You can kind of see the words, but you're going to have to rely more on memory. So go ahead and do the same thing.
R-O-U-G-H. R-O-U-G-H. R-O-U-G-H.
Okay, good. Now, I'm going to have you go ahead on line number 1, write the word rough from memory, making sure you say the letters as you write them.
R-O-U-G-H.
I like that. You're still keeping that pattern as you write it, that rhythm.
R-O-U-G-H.
And what does that say?
Rough.
Good.
R-O-U-G-H.
And what does that say?
Rough.
Good. And then on the last line, go ahead and create a sentence using the word rough. I like it. Go ahead and make sure you put punctuation at the end. And read the sentence to me.
That is a rough trick.
Perfect. So you're going to take this home, and you have your screen at home, and what I want you to do sometime between now and I see you next, go ahead and use your screen to bumpy write each letter one more time. So you'll write it again 3 times with the bumpy letters, and make sure you are saying the letters as you do it. And something we forgot to add in is most of the time when you fill the letters, we'll do R-O-U-G-H, rough. So that's something you'll add in, especially when you start getting into the really hard words. You're going to want to repeat the word as you write it. Okay? And then on the other side, you can rewrite them again. And then maybe if you feel like you need more help on the word, you can continue just taking this out maybe once a day and just finger spelling it with your fingers, going over each letter and saying them aloud. Okay? Very good.